Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Bipasha Paul and today I am going to tell about this Dermaco product and also show you how to use proper way so you get the best result. So without any further delay, let's get started. Before starting, I have to say something that this is not a sponsored video at all. Second, and at the end of the video, I will share my personal experience and some requests to all of you. And third is here I will follow 3 steps. First is cleansing, second one is using 2 type of serum and third is moisturizing. तो बिना टाइम बर्बाद किए चलिए शुरू करते हैं. To begin with cleansing. For cleansing here I am using 1% salicylic acid gel face wash with salicylic acid and witch hazel. Quantity 100 ml and price is 299 rupees. I had purchased from Nykaa. I will put the product details on the screen and also share the link in the description. Now the question is, how about a cleanser that also exfoliates? The answer is, make way for 1% salicylic acid gel face wash with witch hazel and willow bark that deeply penetrates pores to eliminate acne-causing bacteria and impurities. Salicylic acid has anti-inflammatory properties that play an important role fading away red inflamed pimples. Use it regularly to heal and prevent acne breakouts and say hello to clearer and brightening skin. So hope on the exfoliations wagon and drive the path towards acne-free skin. Now the key ingredients of this face wash. First and the magical ingredient is salicylic acid. Salicylic acid is a keratolytic agent that exfoliates skin cells to slough off more radially. It's a BHA that targets enlarged pores, acne and blackheads. Coming to the next, witch hazel. Witch hazel deeply cleanses the skin and works with salicylic acid to remove excess oil, tighten enlarged pores and relieve inflammation. Now coming to the third key ingredients of this face wash is willow bark, an extremely versatile ingredient that exfoliates and reduces excess oil in the skin and the appearance of acne and helps the skin look more radiant and youthful. Now the benefits of using this 1% salicylic acid gel face wash. Now the answer is, it helps reduce new acne. The 1% salicylic acid gel face wash penetrates deep into the skin, dissolves the skin debris and eliminates acne causing bacteria. Second is control oil production. Oily skin is one of the main reasons for acne because it clogs pores and prevents the natural skin shedding cycle from occurring. Now the third benefit is deeply cleanses and exfoliates. Salicylic acid plays a key role in the exfoliation of the skin. The 1% salicylic acid gel face wash exfoliates dead skin cells. Now the proper way to use. Step 1. Squeeze out an adequate amount of face wash on your palm and gently massage over wet skin in a circular motion. Step 2. Rinse well and pat dry. And step 3. Use twice a day for best result. Now coming to the next step or second step, here I am using 2 type of serum. First I am using 10% niacinamide serum. Quantity is 30 ml and price is 599 rupees. 10% niacinamide serum is the ultimate solution for reducing acne marks and controlling sebum production. Niacinamide also helps to visibly improve large pores and prevent acne. Daily use will result in fewer lesions and improve skin texture. It improves the skin barrier, repairs past sign of damage, reduces inflammation resulting in acne and pimple-free skin. Now coming to the key ingredients of this serum. First one is niacinamide or vitamin B3. Niacinamide is the gold standard ingredient that actively works towards reducing acne marks and scars. Now the second ingredient is zinc. Zinc with its super antibacterial properties, it controls the onset of acne, decreases oil secretion and helps your skin retain its humidity. Benefit of using this serum. First benefit is fade acne marks. Start living a #filter free life with 10% niacinamide that fades acne marks by regulating the skin tone. Say hello to clearer skin. Second benefit, fight acne. Fight your way to acne-free skin with niacinamide that increases ceramide in the skin, retain moisture and strengthens your fight against acne from day 1. Now the third benefit is control oil production. With controlled oil production, niacinamide acts on acne-causing bacteria to reduce breakouts and keeps your skin in its best natural state. Now how to apply? Apply 2-3 drops of Dermaco serum on the entire face and neck in a gentle circular motion. After 30 minutes of applying niacinamide serum, apply 2% salicylic acid serum, which price is 499 rupees and the quantity is 30 ml. The Dermaco 2% salicylic acid serum is a multitasking formulation that treats acne, unlock pores and prevents skin damage. The combination of 2% salicylic acid and witch hazel exfoliates the pore walls to prevent the appears acne, whiteheads and blackheads. With no more sebum in the pores, it eventually stops the formation of acne. And the key ingredients of this serum are same as the ingredients of face wash. Now coming to benefit of using this serum, 2% salicylic acid is intensely exfoliating and controls excess oil in the pores. It acts as a potent ingredient to treat existing pimples and acne as well as prevent further breakouts. Unclogs pores. The anti-inflammatory and oil-soluble properties of salicylic acid allow it to penetrate deep within the pores to unclog them. It clears out the pores by detaching the dead skin cells and other debris from within the pores, allowing the skin to get clearer over time. Now coming to the final step, Ceramide plus HA Intense Daily Face Moisturizer. Quantity is 50 gram and price is 349 rupees. Make Ceramide plus HA Intense Moisturizer your go-to hydration counter. Its amazingly effective formulation locks in the essential moisturization to heal severely dry, damaged or compromised skin. Continuous usage of this moisturizer forms a protective layer on the skin that calms irritated skin, slows the aging process and keeps skin hydrated for long. And the cherry on the cake, this moisturizer is approved by board certified dermatologists to repair skin damage and retain moisture while speeding up the healing process. Now question is, what are the key ingredients of this product? First ingredient is ceramides. Ceramides form a protective layer on the skin to prevent moisture loss, keep the skin supple while offering protection against irritates and pollution. Hyaluronic acid. Now the second key ingredient is hyaluronic acid. A naturally occurring substance, it helps to retain collagen, increases the moisture content of the skin and provides elasticity and flexibility. A naturally occurring substance, it helps to retain collagen, increases the moisture content of the skin and provides elasticity and flexibility. Now what is the benefit of using this moisturizer? The Ceramide Plus HA Intense Moisturizer offers 72 hours of moisturization and help to repair severely dry and damaged skin. Second benefit is calm and irritated skin. Continuous usage of this moisturizer form a protective layer on the skin that calms irritated skin and slow the aging process and keeps skin hydrated for long. The best time to use this product is at night. If you notice all of this product carefully, you can notice that this all are comes to end, and I am using this all product last 15 days. I didn't find any improvement on my skin. Maybe it takes some time to start working. If you are new here or new in this channel, please give the thumbs up on this video and hit the subscribe button and also the notification bell so you never miss any upcoming video from this channel. So here I conclude this video. That's all for today. Bye bye and take care.